Now that you have created your YouTube thumbnail using ChatGPT, there were some things you could not tweak on it simply because you were using the free version of ChatGPT. I have you covered because that is exactly what I want to explain to you in this video. I want to teach you how you can actually upgrade and tweak the thumbnail that ChatGPT generates for you using Canva. Okay, so if you know you did not watch the first video where I explained to you how you can actually use the free version of ChatGPT, for those of you that don't have the ChatGPT 4.0 and those of you that don't have the paid version of ChatGPT to actually generate YouTube thumbnails for your video, go and watch that video first. I'm going to pin the link to that video in the description of this video, so go watch it so that you see how you can also generate your own YouTube thumbnail using ChatGPT. In this video, I want to show you how you can tweak your YouTube thumbnail that ChatGPT generated for you, or how you can actually use the concept to design your own on Canva so that you don't have to stress too much. Remember, we are solo creators. We shoot ourselves, we edit ourselves, do everything ourselves. So if we can get something to actually lift up that burden of creating thumbnails, coming up with thumbnail ideas and all of those stuff, I think it's a very, very good thing. And this particular hack doesn't even cost you any money at all. And guess what? You can also do it with your smartphone, because for some of you, you will think that, to do this, you need a laptop. No, you don't need a laptop. All you need is a smartphone. I'm going to be showing you right now how I do this on my smartphone device as well. So let's get right into the business of the day. So the first thing you're going to do, of course, is you're going to open Canva on your smartphone device. So I believe that you have the Canva app already. If you don't, just go to your Google Play Store or your App Store and go and download the Canva application. So you are going to click on the YouTube thumbnail because that is exactly what you want to do. On Canva, you want to generate a YouTube thumbnail for yourself. So we're going to click on YouTube thumbnail. And once you click on YouTube thumbnail, it will ask you to choose a template. You don't need to choose a template. And if you want to choose a template, it's all well and good. But for the purpose of this, we're not going to choose a template. So you're just going to, exit that template interface. And then the next thing you're going to do, you're going to import the design that you generated with ChatGPT onto your Canva. So let's do that right now. You click on gallery so that you can bring the image to Canva. Now, your network might be slow. Just give it time, because sometimes our networks can be so annoying. So this is the image I want to use. You click on it. You click on add to page. Now, you might get a message like this that says we couldn't upload some files, because sometimes the image you actually generate on ChatGPT, that is the image you get on ChatGPT and save, it might not actually want to be supported by Canva. Let me show you the hack that you can use to bring it to Canva. So what you're going to do, let's go to our phone gallery, your gallery, to actually do that. So come with me. This is a particular image on our phone gallery that you want to actually go and, upgrade on on Canva. So what I'm going to do right now, click on the pencil tool or edit, anyhow you want to do it, just edit it. You can edit it with your normal phone editor, or if you want to import it to an app like InShot or CapCut to edit the picture, it doesn't mean you're not doing any serious editing to it. It's just to tweak it a little bit and change the code name so that Canva will be able to upload it for you. Now let's start. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to click on crop. So I'm just going to, crop it up a little bit, just tiny little bit, as you can see. You don't have to do too much. So I click on this and then I click on save. I'm going to go back now to Canva. So we're going back now to Canva, and on Canva, I'm going to import this saved image. So click on your gallery again, this time around, and choose the saved one that you just saved. Okay. Which is this particular one here, and click on add to page. Now, as you can see, this particular one easily added to page. So, just move it to the right like this, and use it to fill up the screen. Right? Use it to fill up the screen. Now that we have this, maybe what I want to really tweak on this particular thumbnail is the picture. I don't want this guy's picture there. I probably want to change it to my own picture. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come here, I'm going to highlight this like this. Then I'm going to click on Magic Studio. So once you click on Magic Studio, is either you use Magic Eraser or you use Magic Grab. So but I'm going to use Magic Grab, okay? I'm going to use Magic Grab. So let us see. Now it's telling me to click on what I want to grab. I'm going to click on the image of the guy. This is what I want to grab off. So I click on grab. So once I click on grab, just wait for Canva to do their magic. Remember, it's magic grab. So let's wait for it. Now it has been grabbed. Can you see? It has been grabbed off. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to delete this and replace it, or just click on replace, and then I'm going to replace it with my own picture. So let's say I have some of my pictures uploaded, or you can upload your own picture or any picture you want to replace it with, basically. Okay, so that's what I'm going to now replace it with, or you delete and import the picture anyhow you want it. Let's say I want to replace it with this particular image here. I'm going to click on the image, and of course I'm going to click on remove background so that the background is clear. Do you understand? So that the background is clear. Now I have removed the background. I'm going to adjust the image to give me what I want. So this is it. Look at it. I have my image here. So let me increase this thing a little bit more. So I have my image, and so this is it. I have replaced, as you can see on my screen here, I have replaced that particular image, how much I earned in 25 minutes on Cheelee. So I can also edit the text if I want to edit the text. All you have to do is still go to your Magic Studio and, you know, grab the text. When you grab the text, you will be able to actually edit the text. If I want to change this image here, all you have to just do is come to Magic Studio, grab what you want to grab, and, you know, edit it. And if I want to add other elements on it, and if I want to add other elements on it, I can easily add those other elements. All I have to do is click on elements, then I come to, maybe I want to add the subscribe button, you know, just search for it under your elements, search for it, and then I click on subscribe, you know, resize it, just resize the button, or maybe you want to add watch now or something and find somewhere to put it. So let me just, I could have actually added watch now, but let's just say this is what I want to do. Add it, save your image, and you have yourself your YouTube thumbnail. So let me know in the comment section if you're going to be trying out this hack. And if you have any questions at all regarding this hack, let me also know in the comment section. Remember, you need to watch the part 1 video of this. Should I call it a part 1 video, or at least it's the first one, the first step, which is generating this thumbnail on ChatGPT. If you want to know how to do that, you need to watch the video first. I'm going to drop the link to the video in the description of this video, or maybe pin it in the comment section. So first of all, go and watch that so that you know how to generate your YouTube thumbnails using ChatGPT. Then you can then come back to this video to watch how you can actually, you know, upgrade and tweak the thumbnail using Canva application. Remember, if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. I'll do my best to answer as many questions as I get. Don't forget as well to give this video a thumbs up. It helps the algorithm show it to more people like you looking for things like this, especially solo creators like us, solo YouTubers like us that literally do everything alone, and you want some hack on how you can make your YouTube journey easier for yourself. Just make sure you share this video. Make sure you subscribe, tap on the bell icon to turn on post notifications for all of my videos, so that when I drop new videos, you're going to be the first to know. And in my next video, I'm going to be showing you another hack that you can actually use to generate YouTube thumbnails. I think it is even easier than this ChatGPT and this Canva combination. But I'm going to be showing you guys in my next video. So you guys will be the judge whether that one is easier or this particular one is easier. Until next time when I come your way again, keep being amazing, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.